Nature's healing power, herbs and spices for health. Herbs and spices have been used for centuries to add flavor to food and promote well-being. These powerful plants offer a natural way to enhance our health. From soothing lavender to invigorating ginger, nature provides a wealth of options for those seeking natural remedies. More and more people are turning to herbs and spices to support their health. They offer a gentle and often delicious way to address various health concerns. Let's explore some of the most popular and beneficial herbs and spices available. Remember, while herbs and spices can be beneficial, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using them medicinally, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. This essay will introduce you to the amazing world of herbs and spices and their potential health benefits. Exploring the benefits, from lavender to Ginkgo biloba. Lavender, with its calming aroma, is renowned for its relaxing properties. It can help ease anxiety, promote sleep, and even relieve headaches. Dandelion, often considered a weed, is a nutritional powerhouse. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which may support liver health and digestion. Peppermint is known for its refreshing taste and ability to soothe digestive discomfort. It can help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been linked to various health benefits, including reducing joint pain and boosting brain health. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing properties. It is commonly used topically to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Ginger is a popular spice used in both sweet and savory dishes. It is highly valued for its ability to reduce nausea and inflammation. Rosemary, with its distinct aroma, is a culinary favorite. It is also a good source of antioxidants and may help improve memory and cognitive function. Sage, another aromatic herb, has traditionally been used to support respiratory health and digestion. It may also have cognitive benefits. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties. It is often consumed as a tea to promote relaxation and sleep. Finally, Ginkgo biloba, an ancient Chinese herb, is believed to improve blood circulation and enhance cognitive function. Incorporating herbs and spices into daily life. Adding herbs and spices to your daily routine is easy and enjoyable. You can start by incorporating them into your cooking. Fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro add vibrancy and flavor to salads, soups, and main courses. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and cinnamon can transform ordinary dishes into culinary delights. Experiment with different flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. Beyond cooking, you can enjoy the benefits of herbs and spices through teas, infusions, and aromatherapy. Chamomile tea is a soothing bedtime beverage, while peppermint tea can aid digestion. Lavender essential oil can be used in a diffuser to promote relaxation. Remember to start with small amounts and gradually increase the quantity as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust accordingly. A world of flavor and wellness awaits. Herbs and spices offer a world of flavor and potential health benefits. From reducing inflammation to boosting brain health, these natural remedies have been used for centuries to support well-being. Incorporating them into your daily life is a delicious and accessible way to enhance your health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before using herbs and spices medicinally, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs. Embrace the power of nature and unlock the healing potential of herbs and spices. Your body will thank you for it.